Alright guys, so what are all these fun looking parts for? Well, first of all, I'm going to have to cut this connector off and put a different connector on if I want to use it. But aside from that, then we've got this cool motor, and this is for a plane or a boat or something like that. It looks like it's a brushless system, so probably pretty strong. A bunch of other parts in here, a mount for this, and this is a bunch of screws for the propeller that doesn't come with it. And then in the previous video we unparceled or unboxed this cool little thing here, which will allow me to attach this to a whatever vehicle that I'm going to be working with. It's probably going to be the famous Coca Cola boat that you guys have all been waiting for me to put back on the lake, but I didn't have a proper system to drive it, so hopefully this
Likey